Hello, welcome to my channel. If you want to see this style, keep on watching. Alright, so I am starting off with freshly washed hair. And I did do a couple of plaits and, went to sleep on it so it could air dry. And so I actually split my hair into the sections prior to braiding. I just find that is a lot easier than trying to attack all of the hair at the same time. So go ahead and just section your hair off. So it should be about 3 sections: the front section, the middle section, and the back section. And then you'll connect all of those braids pretty much together in the middle, which will leave a flat foundation for you to do your crochet on. And I find that in these styles, you just take your time to braid it, make sure that you're doing, the best job that you can. I know I've seen many videos where people would just, put whatever braids, messy braids, good braids, whatever braids up underneath their crochet. But I do think that if you have a flatter foundation, it's just more comfortable, instead of being bumpy in the back or whatever. But that's just my opinion, so. And when I do other people's hair, I try to keep the foundation flat. So yeah, I'm just pretty much just taking my time to, braid each section down. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, as well as other videos that I might put out. If you hit that bell notification, then it'll alert you when I put up a new video. And kind of a little fun fact that's happening right now, I'm actually creating a TikTok as well at the same time that I'm doing this, recording this video. And so if you see me kind of looking over to the side, then that's probably what's happening. And go ahead and follow me on TikTok if you like. It is the same name, Chasemsmodel. And I would just appreciate that very much. Thank you. Alright, I'm just showing you that I am pretty much done almost with the top section. I do not braid my hair all the way down in the front to the ends because it just makes the takedown process, just a lot easier. So I would suggest that you either twist it on the end, braid it down to a certain point, but then go ahead and twist it or leave it out, because you're gonna loop it in with the next section of your hair, that middle section. You're gonna braid it. So I do put a little bit of braid jam on my hair as I braid it. I just find that it just holds a lot better, and I'm not putting my edges in, so I'm just really putting it on the hair that I'm braiding. Alright, so I am all done. Look at there, snap. So I'm just pulling out my edges again, making sure those aren't in there. And as you can see, I'm all finished with the braids in the front, and I believe I had about 14 braids in the front. I do think that that's a lot, but I wanted it to be closer together, so that when I tease the hair, then it will, look more natural instead of thicker braids. So that's the reason why I decided to do the number of braids that I did. So yeah, I just moved that hair out the way. I did something new. I have an anchor braid that is in the top of my head. So I will be braiding that going horizontal. So I'm just trying to move the hair out the way. You're going to see me kind of fumble with this part because I didn't lay it right on the side, and it's not going to even stay like that, but just something that you can see in the video that happens. But I tried, y'all, I tried. But as you can see, I messed up. Alright, so I'm just adjusting that again, just so I can just move it out the way as I braid that anchor braid. Like I said, going horizontal. So yeah, you just see me just doing a whole bunch for nothing, for real. Alright, so there we have it. I have completed the braid pattern. just braiding that hair down, and you will see me go ahead and loop that around the braid pattern. I'm going to crochet it through itself. The back section, it's not the neatest, but it doesn't have to be because you're not going to see it, so it's all right. I'm just going to get that one tail out the way. I find that if you just have one braid at the end, it's better, because I used to have multiple braids and I've ended up cutting my hair a lot. So yeah, so I'm just looping that around my that middle section, just making sure that it is flat. I am tired, but you know, and I'm talking, so yeah, that's what you're saying right now. I got that little tail sticking up, but that was a little rest break, and now I'm back at crocheting it through the braids that's in the middle, just trying to make sure that it is as flat as possible. So I'm just continuing to loop it around itself, just trying to find any spot where I can. So when it's time to take this down, all I will have to do is find that one braid, and then everything else will unravel and it'll be simple. All right. I am pretty much done with this process, as you can see. Got one little piece, and I just kind of loop it and then pull it all the way through. But there you go. So that's the braid pattern, and I will turn around so you can see everything. I'm sorry, I'm out of frame right there, but you'll still get a chance to see the whole pattern. So there you go. All right, so I have started. So I am crocheting that through the braid vertically, and then I'm going to connect it to another braid. As you can see, I think I will do it one more time. I'm not sure, but I believe I do. So here we go again, going through the braid, going horizontal, stringing one part to the front, and then connecting it to another braid, and then doing a regular crochet method. So I will repeat this all across the front of my hair. I'm just making sure that it is filled in and that there are no braids exposed. So I like to have a little fun there, you know. But okay, so here we go. We got a lot of it done off camera. So yeah, I'm just finishing up this area, and I will have a small patch that will be the most, you know, what I have to do next in the back. So there you go, you see it, and then I'm done. Look at there, look at all of this pretty curly blue and purple hair. So as you can see, I am filling in the back. Going to get that all accomplished. So yeah, so my head is down, and yeah, I'm just trying to fill in the back area as much as possible. Not overpacking it, but definitely putting enough hair back there. Ta-da! Now look at me. All of this hair is installed. For the most part, I might have a few little pieces here and there that I will put in as I fill around to see. But yeah, I'm going ahead and finishing it up. All right, so all installed. Look at all of this hair. Oh my goodness, look at it. I am now about to fill in another space that I found. And another one, another space that I found, but we're filling it in. So I'm filling in another space, and then I will transition into using the razor right here to start teasing the hair. So I rake the shed hair out. I'm just creating short pieces to go ahead and tease the hair, and I do that all around my perimeter. You keep teasing the hair until it is at your desired teasing, you know, where it looks the most natural. And I did that. I used the razor, then I used the comb, then I used the brush. You'll see that, I believe, later. Yeah, so just keep teasing it until you get what you like. And it should look fine towards the end. And I just kept doing it until I got to what I liked. Then I put some edge control on there. So I'm just getting the shed hair out. There's a lot of shed hair from when you do crochet. You just have to pull it out. I'm just gonna finish up teasing and razoring and teasing and razoring. Then I will continue to do that till the end. And voila, that's what a cut, and also brushing it out. Can I just say how much I love this hair? I absolutely love this hairstyle, the whole thing. I have some more videos that I will be putting out with different styles and also different things that I will be doing to this hair. But I love this style. This hair is not too silky. It is just the right type of hair. Like, it's not nappy, it's not silky, it's just the right hair. So yes, I brushed the curls out. You don't have to, but I did because I wanted a soft curl look. And so that's all I'm doing, is kind of just brushing it, trying to fluff it, trying to make sure that it looks good and the way that I want it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video, and I also love this hairstyle. So if you want more like this, please comment below, go ahead and subscribe, all of those wonderful things, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you will be notified when I post another video. I hope that you like it, and thank you so much for watching.